Dear distinguished Senate President,
for a second time this year, Senate President Bukola Saraki reads a letter from President Muhammadu Buhari informing the Senate of his decision to proceed on medical leave.
In compliance with Section 145(1) of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, I wish to inform the distinguished Senate that I will be away for a scheduled medical follow-up with my doctors in London. The length of my stay will be determined by the doctor's advice. While I'm away, the Vice President will coordinate the activities of the government.
A federal lawmaker immediately raises a point of order. He faults a part of the first paragraph of the letter, which reads, and I quote, "While I am away, the Vice President will coordinate the activities of government," end of quote.
Mr. President, I don't think in our Constitution we have anything like coordinating President or coordinating Vice President. It's either you are Vice President or you are acting President. And any letter should be unambiguous and very clear. So I'm saying that this letter really does not convey anything, because coordinating has no space on any place in our Constitution. It's either you tell us, and we've been having letters like this, you tell us is the acting President in your absence, so that we know who to deal with as a Senate.
But the Senate leader counters Senator Onwabunwa.
President Muhammadu Buhari has done what the Constitution requires him to do, and I urge the Senate not to go ahead to discuss this because it's not an issue.
The Senate President rules on the matter.
It's clear the letter has referred to the Constitution, and there's no ambiguity in the Constitution. So I don't think there's any issue there. No need for. Let me first rule you. So that President, I'll have to rule you out of order.
In the recent letter to the National Assembly, President Buhari did not mention how long he would be away. Instead, he stated that the length of stay would be determined by his doctors. President Buhari first travelled on January 19th this year on what was supposed to be a 10-day holiday, but ended up staying for nearly 2 months. For now, the nature of the president's illness is not known. Linda Kibi, Channels Television News.